Hey guys, just want to make a quick video for you guys here about Brightwork. If you guys are looking to level up your skills or just learn Brightwork skills in general, this video will be very helpful. This is a plane that we finished out here in Bangor, Maine this week. As you can see, these are the before pictures, and then these are the after pictures. So if you want to level up your skills and take your detailing to the next level, or your Brightwork skills to the next level, this is just the video for you. Stay tuned.
Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time.
Now we're going to be using F7 here, and whenever you have Brightwork that's really dull or like that's been stripped, that doesn't have any of a shine at all, like this one, you're going to want to use a lot more Nuvite than typically. So you want to really spread the Nuvite generously all over the surface. That way you have enough product on the surface when you go to polish. Now I'm setting my machine on speed setting 1, and I'm going to just spread the polish all over the surface until I get it nice and spread out all evenly. Now that all the metal polish is spread out, I'm going to crank my machine up to speed setting 6, turn my pad on a slight angle, and I'm going to work this metal until I get my clear window that starts to appear here. Now, if you notice here, I have my pad almost vertical to the surface here. This is going to be the most aggressive way to be cutting on this metal. It's almost like an airway buffer that I'm using here. After cutting all the scratches from right to left, I'm now going to go vertical, up and down, and cut these same things in a crosshatch pattern, up and down. Now, if you notice now, my pad is more flat on the surface. This is going to be a less aggressive cut that I'm doing here to the surface. I'm actually refining down the heavy, aggressive scratches that I put into the metal with my pad being vertical. I'm getting a lot of those cut out now with my pad being flat on the surface. Now with the surface looking like this, I'm going to come by with one more pass of F7. I'm going to be spreading the metal polish out, one fingerprint every 3 inches. So now that we have the metal, all the oxidation cut out there, I just want to refine this up a little bit more. So I'm doing my normal pass of F7 now on all this metal.
All right, speed setting 1, spread it out. We got a lot of these big scratches in here, so we're going to come with C here to refine these scratches down a little bit more. Okay. Now we have our Lake Country lamb's wool right here. Speed setting 1. I'm going to spread all this after I dab it all in the surface here. Left to right so it doesn't sling the polish either. Okay, so now all metal is spread out. We're going to crank it up to speed setting 6 and let it have it.
Now just like the pass with F7, we're going to slightly have our tool on an angle, and then we're going to rotate it to be more flat on the surface as we go to finish out these scratches.
Now we have the S on here. This is a orange Lake Country foam pad. I can't tell, but it's a orange SDO Lake Country pad here. Speed setting 1. Spread out all the polish after I dap it in the surface. Okay, that was speed setting 1, just to spread the polish on the surface. Now we're going to bump it up to speed setting 3 and work it in like we would normally polish a panel until it gets nice and black.
So hopefully you can see the difference in color now. This is from polishing it all on the surface of speed setting 3. Now I'm going to take my cotton flannel towel, wrap the head of my buffer like this. I'm going to polish this all out until this comes clear. That's the final result right there.